Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of it is "She Disrespected Her Daughter, Then Did This." Let's get into the video.
Officers were called to a disturbance that escalated much more than it needed.
Told me she wasn't gonna leave. She started talking. Now,
okay.
And I'm going to iron the children clothes up school. I can't get them ready for school. She's still talking and cussing me out, and I'm shaking like a leaf and a limb because I don't know she made it.
Yeah, let's get out the rain real quick. Who let her inside the house?
The key was never in the house when I was asleep.
Can I go in there?
Yes, you can. Yeah.
Hey! Hey! What's going on?
I made Raya beat her motherfucking ass, man. You seriously? That's a fuck, man.
Go outside.
Get out!
And you got any idea or anything on you?
Yes, I do, sir. Anybody, I'll tell you my whole name, Shamika Ramos.
Give me a second, all right? You know she's got a trespass warning out of this address.
Who?
She could be going to jail today.
My little sister?
Oh, no. Oh, I thought you were talking about the grown-up.
I'm coming to get my sister.
Okay.
My
I'm sorry.
Little sister.
I'm sorry.
I'm coming to get her.
I'm sorry.
Put her to the door.
You wrong for that girl. She wrong for that man.
Hey.
That bitch wrong for that. She wrong for that man. She wrong
Chill
for
out.
that man. Y'all don't get it, man.
Hey, listen.
Man, look at her, man.
What's
Anyway, I'll be just fine. I'm trying to tell you what's going on, man. I know I ain't did nothing wrong. And I know my rights, man, but nobody to the man like, hey, I'm a fed at this shit, man. When it comes, I be doing lawyer, man. I'm tired of these folks, man. My baby, and it's my baby now. I have full rights to it, man.
Hey, listen, you can't be in this property.
I know it, right? And I leave, man. My daughter, who you is?
Hey, listen to me.
Who you is?
Shamika. Don't worry about who she is. Hey.
Right, that's her sister. Right, take her with you.
Let's get out of here. Come on.
Right, yeah, I will.
No, like right now.
No, hey, hold on, no,
Hey. Yes.
Hold on, let me call the store right there. I had the right to do that. Yeah, no.
Hey, listen.
I'm out here for what, man?
Hey.
What I did? I have a baby here, man.
Get off the property.
With my baby.
No. No, you're not. Get off the property now.
Yeah. 911. Let me call somebody back. You know what? If y'all do arrest me, I'm waiting on you, man. I'm not going.
You know what it is? It seems like, the officers are actually trying to like give her a chance or a warning. But if she's acting like this, it might not go too well.
I did nothing wrong to y'all. I vote no law. I'm waiting on it. And I tell my all the time, anybody always get by. I always get up out the door and go somewhere else. I'm waiting on it.
Why are you calling 911?
Because I have to find somebody who want to try to make amends right now. You know, baby, no crying. I'm saying somebody who gonna make peace right now. Y'all just stepping in on the outside looking in. Anyway, I know I ain't broke no law.
Let's go
sit here, man.
Come on. Hey.
Yeah.
Stop.
I go there.
Stop.
Right, yeah. I go there.
Just
I
stop.
go there.
I got it, bro.
This on camera. This on camera. I didn't do something like this.
Just stop.
I didn't do something like this. Stop. So I'm not resisting it. Don't you ever think that. You hear me, camera? Don't you ever think that. Let's go to the car. Goddamn, let's go. Shit, I'm sick of y'all. I just beat the car.
Shut up.
And you said shut up.
Stop.
Kiss my ass, man. You said shut up.
Stop.
I would never resist you. You're an old man with a gun, man. How could I ever beat you? Why you talking to me like that, man?
I mean, that wasn't really necessary. I mean, clearly this lady is going through a lot. I mean, he ain't had to, shut up. But I mean, I don't know. That wasn't too cool. But also, nowadays, people are really sensitive. But I don't think she necessarily deserved that. She didn't resist. She like, whatever. All right, take me to the car, whatever. She tweaking out. She definitely on something though.
Let's go, man. Let's go. Fuck you waiting on, man. Baby, the car crying, y'all dead ass on, man. Let's go. Fuck out of here, man. You just a come on, nigga.
10, 15,
fuck out of here, Mexicano, nigga. Fuck out of here. Let's go. You know you're wrong, man. You know you're gonna have to wear this one.
You got anything on you?
Man, nothing. Man, you should have been searched me, man. You're wrong for that. Now you're under a manner. Look here.
You can't
I been had my phone. Y'all would have been touched me, man. What y'all doing?
Stop.
Now, y'all would have been touched me, motherfucker.
God damn.
Man, right, man. Damn me nuts in your mouth, man. My goddamn phone. Man, you wrong for that. Man, you wrong for that. I don't fuck. Everybody close the door.
Watch out.
You take my feet, man.
Watch out.
You already fucked up right
Watch
now.
out.
You're a rookie.
Hey.
I'm not getting out, motherfucker.
Just got trespassed from here, man, and
Y'all wrong for
us living in
that,
can't
sir.
solve anything, so.
Yes, you are. Let's go, honey. What I'm trying to position of rest. Let's go. Let's go. Camera's on. Your camera was on. Motherfucker, let's go.
She tweaking.
Alfrecino. Let's go, motherfucker. I just beat the shit up with y'all
Alfrecino.
motherfuckers, man. Crazy fuck. You wrong. I ain't did nothing. Camera's on. Camera's on, motherfucker. Camera's on. My baby sitting there crying, bitch. Y'all wrong for that. Y'all wrong for that. You're wrong for that. Anyway, you just started this shit here, sir. You just started this bitch here. You just started. Y'all take me.
So she must have had her kids taken away or something, like, and they stay with the mom or grandma or whatever. Like, man, she probably the mom and what? Yeah, that's crazy, man. I wonder what she did to. Well, we can kind of see probably what she did to lose her kids. She tweaking.
Phone and cover me anyway. For what? You gotta tell me why. Why you arresting me? Beat with a bat. You have to beat your ass one, man. Anyway, beat like a stick, man. Anyway, you're gonna be on strike for the next 3 weeks, man. Mexican. I said, God damn it. I said, Mexican taking over this motherfucker. They fucking show this. Bitch, I'm used to it, man. Y'all just got a board, man. You got me fucked up, man. I beat that bitch with a public defender, man. For real, man.
What are you on?
Man, anyway, you beat.
What are you on?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Anyway, help me. I ain't break no fucking law. I know that goddamn much. I ain't break no law. Oh, the fuck I'm gonna help me. Then to arrest me. To make me try to beat you up and jack me up. You don't carry the camera, goddammit. That's all them nigga needs. I ain't do nothing to you, man. And I ain't break no goddamn law. Man, beat that, man. Let's ride. Man, hurry up. Man, let's get here, sir. That's your first complaint. Yeah, Mexican. Fuck out of here. You have no clue on what's going on. Y'all motherfucker. Anyway, I got rights. Anyway, I didn't break now one of them today. Took 2 of y'all to grab me. What did I do wrong? That's why I want to fucking know. What the hell I did wrong? Not a goddamn thing.
She sound drunk.
My baby stay there, man. I stay there with my baby. And he took my phone. What did I do? What I'm charged with? I can't wait to beat this. I just beat a charge on the 7. Charge was dropped. That shit was thrown out. Y'all fucked up. Yes, you have. I just be quiet. And I told him that time. I said, take me in. So the officer said, take me in. For the bond be $500. It can't be that much. I ain't never hit and swung on y'all or nothing. It's on camera. God damn it. It's on camera, motherfucker. Sick of y'all arrogant motherfuckers. Y'all arrogant as fuck. I just beat a child.
You know what? Never mind. Nah, she doing too much moving and tweaking, man. That ain't no alcohol, man. She I don't know what she on, but she on something though.
Oh no, officer. This is my second time running. I won. 3rd time a charm. I'm sick of you motherfuckers, man. I got rights, honey. Run it. Take me in. Take me in, motherfucker. Take me in, motherfucker. Yes, sir. Take me in. I just beat a motherfucker on February 7th.
The suspect was charged with trespassing.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.